very momentous day today, and all the parishioners and the parish priest, Eminence, the Cardinal have all worked together to make this materialize. I'm really happy, and for the people of Miramar, this chapel is become a church. The momentous day. Yes. In fact, it will be now very good because it will be elevated. Only we don't have our own cemetery, so still the burials will happen, as the Remans has said, at St. Inez. But all other things, even the registration of births, dates, everything will be done over here. Only the burial will take place in St. Inez because of lack of facility. Maybe later on, that also, hopefully, if we get some land or something later on, we get.
Madam Khushi, I'm very happy to have this as a new church. We always used to come here for Mass, but now that it is a church, I will come very often. Thank you.
See, I am associated with this chapel right from 1985. 83, we had a flat in Miramar. From that day onwards, I've been associated with this chapel, and to good beneficiaries, we painted the chapel 4 times. 4 times we have painted the chapel, and to somebody I got the generator donated for the chapel, which I did not publicize. Because देवाक दिता तुम्ही ते वितरण करूंक जाय, and every time whatever they wanted, I have always obliged. And I pray to Stella Maris that Stella Maris bless everybody in Miramar and Panjim and all of Goa, and all my media friends will also be blessed by Stella Maris. Thank you.
Father Zeferino de Souza. आयज आमचें एक स्वप्न पूर्ण जालें. आमचें कॉपेल आसलें तें इगोज जालें. हें करपाक जाय ती 1989 हें कॉपेल काडल्यार आयज 37 years सुमार जाता. आतां 37 years जावन कॉपेल आसलें इगोज जालें. ते आदी जायते वावुरल्यात. आमकां हें करपाक आमचो पात्र्याक साहेब, आर्चबिशप मोस्ट रेवरेंड फिलिप नेरी कार्डिनल फेर्रांव तो आसलो, आनी दुसरे पाद्री आसले. एक व्हडलें आमकां ओकेजन for us to be happy, and for the people of this area is to be a parish today. So we are extremely happy. Cemetery is not a condition to become a parish. Ponjichi Gorz asa, tikai cemetery na. St. Cemetery, St. Gorz taka lagi cemetery asa. Amka asa. ते भाशेन कारण जालें की दुसरी गोज केल्ली तालिगांवची ताका अजून सेमिटेरी ना. ते फक्त तालिगांवचे सेमिटेरी उजार करतात. आता फुडारा गोळे कोत्तेले. म्हणटच सेमिटेरी इज नॉट ए कंडिशन टू बिकम ए पॅरिश.
आमी येदोपाशीक समोरोवणीन वांटो घेवंक आयल्या ह्या मुखांतच ह्या आमचे भयणीन उगडास केला. जेजूच्या पुनर्जिवनपणाच्या खुशाल बरीत काळांत आमी आसा. We are in this joyful Easter season. आणि आयज आमकां खेरीत भाशेन ह्या वाठारांत निर्जेतले देवाचे भुरग्यांचे फामिलीक आनी एक खुशालकायेचें कारण आसा. हें आमचें कॉपेल स्टेला मारिस चॅपल जें 1989 वर्सा स्थापलेलें 37 वर्सां उपरांत आफ्टर 37 years ह्या कॉपेलाक इगोर्जेचो दर्जो मेळून आयज ताणें हांगासर येतलो समुदाय एक फिरगोज जाला. This community becomes a parish. एक फिरगोज म्हळ्यार भावार्थाचो, प्रिती मोगाचो, गोवायकेचो समुदाय. A parish is a community of faith, of love and of witness. पवित्र स्नानावलीची एक पवित्र सभेचे वांगडी आमी जाले, आनी देखून ह्या वेळार ह्या उदकाचेर देवाचो आशिर्वाद मागून आमच्या पवित्र स्नानाचो उगडास कसो ह्या उदकाचो शिमोर आमचेर घेवंक आमी तयार आसा.